Want to learn how to add text to your videos? This beginner-friendly tutorial will guide you through every step. Once you're inside the editor, the next step is to add text. To do that, go to the top and click on the Titles tab. You'll see various categories like openers, titles, lower thirds, subtitles, and more. Scroll through and choose a style that fits your video. For this tutorial, I am using the default title. Drag and drop the title in the timeline. Then double-click on Timeline. After that, you can see multiple windows first. One is Text Preset and Text Animation windows. And in the second windows, you can change text and font and color of the text. And in the third one, you can see the Title Group Controller. On the middle windows, you can add text. And on the right windows, you can change the position X and Y and change the rotation of the text. Then again, go to the middle windows. Here you can change the font of the text. For this tutorial, I am using the Impact font. Here you can bold the text. Here you can italic the text. After that, scroll down. Here you can change the color of the text. If you are not satisfied with the color, then click on the More. Then you can see more colors. Then you can select color. Then click on OK. Here you can change the text space of the alphabets. Then scroll down. Here you can change the alignment of the text. Then again, scroll down. Here you can do the same thing like Title Group Controller, which we have discussed earlier in this video. Then again, scroll down. Here you can see Blending Mode, which we have covered in detail in our previous video. Now go to Preset Windows left side, where you can add text styles to your text. Scroll down and choose the style which one you like. Now go to Animation tab, where you can add animation to your text. Scroll down and choose the animation which you like. In this tutorial, I am using the typewriter animation. After that, you can see the animation in preview windows. After that, click on Advance. In Advance, you can see all the things with extra features. For example, you can add multiple shapes, pictures, and animations at the same time. By clicking this icon, you can add multiple text. You can adjust the text according to your need. By clicking this icon, you can add multiple shapes. You can also adjust the size of the shapes to make them smaller or larger. After that, you can add color to the shapes and to the text written on them. After that, go to the Animation tab. Select each shape or text one by one, then choose the animation you like. Repeat this process individually for each shape and text. After that, you can replay your video to see the animations. After that, I deleted the shapes from the screen. By clicking this icon, I imported the logo of Makatrons technology. After that, I adjusted the size of the Makatrons technology logo. Then, I placed the logo where I wanted in the video. Next, I selected an animation that suited the video. Afterward, I replayed the video, and if I was satisfied, I clicked OK. Now, you can see your video in the Filmora timeline.